hair. It's more than just on your head. We all care about our hair. We style it, color it, and sometimes we even get frustrated with it. But remember, every effort you put into your hair is a step towards expressing yourself. But why is hair care so important? It's not just about looks. Healthy hair is a reflection of our overall well-being and personality. A good hair day can boost your confidence and make you feel unstoppable. Conversely, a bad hair day can affect your mood and self-esteem. Hair is often the first thing people notice about us. It frames our face and enhances our overall appearance. So, how can we take better care of our hair? Here are some tips. First, use quality hair care products suited to your hair type. Second, avoid excessive heat styling. Third, maintain a healthy diet, rich in vitamins and minerals. And lastly, get regular trims to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. Remember, taking care of your hair is a form of self-care and boosts your confidence. Hair today, gone tomorrow. Just like snowflakes, no two heads of hair are exactly alike. Some have luscious curls, others rock poker straight strands, and some have a combination that keeps everyone guessing. Embrace the beauty of your unique hair type. Step 1. Understand your hair type. This is the foundation for giving it the love it deserves. Is your hair fine and limp, thick and coarse, somewhere in between? Identifying this helps in choosing the right products. Step 2. Determine your hair texture: curly, straight, wavy, or kinky. Each texture has its own needs. Step 3. Select products that match your hair's personality. Consult with a stylist if needed. Remember, taking care of your hair isn't just about looks. It's about feeling confident and empowered. When your hair feels good, you feel good. So invest in your hair care and let your confidence shine. Now that we've decoded your hair's secret language, let's dive into the steps to keep it happy and healthy. Step 1. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. This is crucial for maintaining your hair's natural balance and shine. Step 2. Be gentle. Treat your hair like a delicate silk scarf, not a dishcloth. This prevents unnecessary breakage and damage. Step 3. Avoid harsh brushing, especially when it's wet. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle gently. Step 4. Don't sleep with tight elastics. Opt for loose styles to prevent stress on your hair. Step 5. Show your hair some TLC. Regular deep conditioning treatments and scalp massages can work wonders for your hair's health. Follow these steps, and trust me, your hair will thank you. We've all been there, staring in horror at the hairbrush, wondering if we're shedding more than usual. But don't worry, understanding the causes of hair damage is the first step to healthier hair. Stress is a major culprit. To combat this, practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Remember, it's not just about mental stress. Physical stress on your hair matters too. Limit heat styling and chemical treatments. Opt for loose hairstyles to reduce tension on your hair. Avoid overwashing your hair. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner to maintain its natural oils. Protect your hair from environmental damage. Wear a hat in the sun and use products that shield against pollution. With these steps, you can keep your hair looking gorgeous and healthy. Don't worry. You can revive your damaged hair with the right steps. Start with a trim. Cutting off split ends prevents further damage. Removing split ends stops them from traveling up the hair shaft. Next, reduce the use of heat styling tools. They can be harsh on your hair. Embrace your natural texture. Your hair is beautiful just the way it is. Invest in nourishing products like deep conditioners, hair masks, and leave-in treatments. Finally, give your scalp some love with a soothing massage. It promotes healthy hair growth. Ever heard the phrase, "You are what you eat"? This is especially true when it comes to your hair. To achieve strong, shiny hair, focus on a diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Think of your hair as a plant that needs proper nourishment to thrive. Without the right nutrients and hydration, it can become dry and lifeless. Step 1. Incorporate plenty of leafy greens into your meals. Step 2. Add fruits, nuts, and fish to your diet for essential nutrients. Step 3. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water every day. Follow these steps and your hair will thank you with a healthy, glossy shine.